What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to print an enlarged image on multiple pages using Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Next, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and select the image you want to turn into a poster. After inserting the image, right-click on it and select Wrap Text and choose Behind Text. This makes it easier to resize and position the image. Now, open the Picture Format tab and adjust the image size. For an example, you can set the image height to 55 cm and the width to 39 cm if you want to create a large multi-page poster. Once you're satisfied with the size, click File, then Print. In the Print preview, you'll be able to check how the image will be printed across multiple pages. Review your printer settings, then click Print to print your poster. And that's it. That's how you can print an enlarged image on multiple pages using Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.